Another thing Gary talked about actually was seasonality. And we can, listen to him talk about it a little bit, kind of how we've moved to this more normal seasonal pattern. Even Jay, I think, had a couple things to say about the fact that, we plan our businesses around that shape, even though it doesn't always show up in the way NAR numbers are presented on a monthly basis.
That's right. Let's take a listen, too.
What I like about this is it gives you a really good sense of the seasonality of sales. This not quite, but almost mirrors what we wrote about in Shift, Jay.
Right. We'll see peaks in the summertime, and strangely, we see a peak in December. Those are the times when families say, my kids are out of school. If I'm going to move, this is the time.
So as we could see, inventory is lightly changed.
Yeah, we saw inventory in January. It was around 3.7%, down a bit from last year, which is interesting. The pattern generally has been inventory picking up, right? So that may also point a little bit to weather effects. We'll kind of have to see how that plays out.